Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 19 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at something called find and change inside of Adobe InDesign. So over here inside of InDesign, if I want to change something, a word or something, then what I can do is simply I can go to edit and then I can go to find and change. So I have an option right here. So now what I can do something is that I can find something over here like the paragraph word over here, paragraph, that's it, and then change it into something like sentence. Alright, so if I were to find a paragraph and change it to sentence, let me just say find next, and you can see that the sentence, the text is actually says out there. If I were to do find next, you can see that all of the texts are being searched for right over there. And if I were to change it, you can see that it changes, replaces the text with something called sentence over here. Now, if you were to do change all, it'll replace all of the text right there, and you can see that paragraph word has been changed into sentence word. So you can search for all documents for this, only this document. If you only want one page to be affected, then you can say search document. This will only affect one pages. And if you want to apply it to all pages, then select all documents just like this. And you can also choose only one layer and so forth, include only lock layer. You can just search in the lock layer if you're using the layers panel over here and so forth. Usually you do not use these options much, but anyways, this is how you can use find and change option inside of Adobe InDesign. So this makes it way easier to replace text that you want to change. So that's how find and change works. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.